The last thing I want to go over in this part of the tutorial is where to find additional resources. I haven't gone into much depth with libraries and boards and all the tutorials that are available. Instead, I focused on a high-level overview, and now I want to give you some additional resources for learning more. We're going to move on to how to prototype and actually build things with the Arduino. But if you're looking for more in-depth information and other resources, there's plenty of them available. We'll start with, of course, O'Reilly.com, and I can just search for Arduino. And you can see there are pages upon pages upon pages of Arduino books. Lots of good ones to look at. Another resource, SparkFun.com. Click on Tutorials. Instructables has quite a few Arduino tutorials. Just give a quick search for Arduino, and you can see lots and lots of tutorials available. Adafruit is another great one. Click on Learn and learn Arduino. There's 38 tutorials. These cover a lot of the basics of Arduino. You can also just search for Arduino, and you'll see there are many, many pages of Arduino tutorials on here. In fact, if you look for Cheerlight, you can even see my tutorial that I showed you earlier, and it tells you everything about making your own Cheerlight. And of course, Arduino.cc. And you can click on Learning, Tutorials, and this will go over a lot more information on the Arduino software, hardware, and everything you really need to know.